Good evening and welcome to the 6th match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 18 seed Independence City Primary from St. Catherine up against Jericho Primary, also from St. Catherine. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Independence City Primary won. They decided to have Jericho Primary play first. So Jericho Primary, we begin section 1 with you. We begin with Bible knowledge. Which disciple was known as the doubter?
Judah.
That's incorrect. It's Thomas. Independence City, Bible knowledge. Which man was struck blind on his way to Damascus to persecute Christians?
Saul.
Later, Paul. That's correct. Jericho science. What's produced in the liver that is stored in the gallbladder?
Bile. Bile.
That's right. Independence City science. Where in the body is undigested food stored to be later emitted as waste?
Large intestine.
That's incorrect. It's the rectum. Jericho, local affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Favour Williams. Favour Williams.
Minister of State. That's correct. Independence City, local affairs. Visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Moss Bathurst.
That's incorrect. It's Honorable Rudyard Spencer. Jericho, English language. Spell conspiracy.
C-O-N-S-P-I-R-A-C-Y.
That's correct. Independent City, English language for you. Spell exclamation.
E-X-C-L-A-M-A-T-I-O-N.
That's right. Jericho, television. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Zendaya. Zendaya.
Judges?
Collins.
Incomplete, which makes it incorrect. It's actually Zendaya Coleman. Independent City Television, a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
What's her name? Bella Thorne.
Bella Thorne.
Judges? That's actually incorrect. It's Bella Thorne. Jericho, general knowledge. Who was president of the United States of America immediately before Donald Trump?
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.
That's right. Independent City, your time, general knowledge. How often are elections held for the U.S. president?
Every 4 years.
Every 4 years.
That's correct. Jericho, social studies. In which Caribbean country is the capital city of St. John's?
Antigua and Barbuda.
Antigua and Barbuda.
That's right. Independent City, social studies. In which Caribbean country is the capital city of Roseau?
Dominica.
Dominica.
That's correct. Jericho music. Which male group released the single Drag Me Down?
One Direction.
One Direction.
That's correct. Independent City music. Which female artist released the single Cool for the Summer?
Demi Lovato.
Demi Lovato.
That's correct. Jericho mathematics. What's the highest common factor of the numbers 7, 14, and 21?
21.
7.
That's right. Independent City mathematics. What's the least common multiple of 4, 8, and 12?
16.
That's incorrect. It's 24. Jericho, this is a sports question. It's visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Simone Biles.
Simone Biles.
That's right. Independent City sports, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Abby Wilson.
That's incorrect. It's Gabby Douglas. Jericho, Jamaican affairs. What date and month did Jamaica gain emancipation?
August 6th.
August 6th.
Judges. Incorrect. The correct answer is August 1st. Incorrect answer came first. Independent city, Jamaican affairs. What date and month did Jamaica gain independence?
August 6th. August 6th.
That is correct. And that marks the end of our first section with the scores so far. Jericho Primary, I believe, is on 6 points, yes, and Independent City Primary is on 6 points, while Jericho Primary is on 8 points. Stay with us. TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2017 returns after this.